This is Manish Patel with blackbar.com. Today is November 16, 2025. This is our weekly results for our AI forecasting tool. No one does forecasting at all. We do. Most people wait for things to happen and then they enter the trade. We don't. We predict before things happen that they're going to move. And how? This black bar on the chart. When you see that black bar, it tells you high probability something's going to happen on the next bar. All you have to do is wait for it to break the high of that bar or the low of that bar and then manage to trade, and it's simple as that. Which way? If you have a green background, you're betting on it breaking the high of that bar. If you have a red background, you're looking for it to break the low of that bar. If there's no background at all, it means the instrument's consolidating, where you want to hit the red dot, which is right there, and then hit the blue dot, which is breaking the high or low. It's as simple as that. So let's go through our trades. Let's look at our shaded trades here. And pretty much for this week, we had 9 winners, 16 losers, and 4 losses. And that's pretty good. There's a lot on the break-even side, but you kind of expect that with the huge volatility that we had in the market that was throughout the week. So we still come out winning at the end of the day, which is really what matters. So our goal is to win every week or break even, and that is pretty much the goal of the system. So if you look this week, we had 9 winners. Here are the trending ones. EWI, this gapped up, did a little drawdown, then came up and then closed positive. Silver here was another winning trade. EWJ was a winning trade. Newmont Mining was winning trade. Here's the ETF, which is pretty much a healthcare sector. That was a winning trade. CHD was a winning trade. MMM was a winning trade. Notice a lot of these were winning trades were bullish. This is in a bearish market, so we found the needle in the haystack, the rare opportunities, because the overall market was down for the week, but these still ended up going up, which is a really good scenario here. And the biggest one to pay attention to is the health sector here, where you knew ahead of time this had a high probability to go up, and it did, and actually got to the blue cross, which is our target here. These are opportunities we did not enter because the shade was different color here. So this was no entry there. PWR, no entry. Verizon, this was a bearish opportunity. It went bullish. So no entry there. EQIX, no entry. AION, no entry. These are break-even trades. So they went up in our direction, and then we went to break-even inner bar, and we got basically stopped out for break-even. So this is break-even trade. Break even. Notice there was a lot of break evens last week, more than we typically have seen. Okay, but that's no problem. That's exactly where the money manager of the system is coming into play, and basically helping us make sure we don't come out overall negative for the week. Okay, so these are all break even trades here. Then the consolidation patterns, which are no shades. This is a winning trade here. Intel, this is one to definitely watch. Reason why is if you get another bar here that's bearish for the next week, we could actually have a high probability to retrace a lot of this movement here, believe it or not. This is a currency trade here. This was a winning trade. This here was a no entry here. Okay, this was a break-even trade, break-even trade, break-even trade, break-even trade, and then we had some minor losses here where we entered here, closed out here, so that was a minor loss there, considering that's the red dot is our stop. So that was a minor loss. This is a minor loss right there. NRG, this was a minor loss. And AVY here, this was a minor loss too. So remember, you're not going to find a perfect system at all. You're going to have losing trades. The key is your winning trades. Take care of your losing trades, and you come out net profitable by the end of the week, month, or quarter. If you guys have any questions, please ask in the comment section, and please like and share this video. Thank you.